Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another day in Moscow and I'm missing my home so bad. Missing everyone. But yes, today we need to go ahead, do our medical tests, and yes, let's see how the day rolls. So let's get started, guys. No metro bus rides, and it's empty because it's early morning.
Уступайте места инвалидам, пожилым людям, пассажирам.
So many university students are waiting for the bus. So that's the hospital that you can see over there. It's also a cardio center, polyclinic.
Then reception.
And this one for certificate.
Yes.
Gotta do stool and urine analysis now. I'm done with blood test, urine and stool test, and now I need to get appointments from ophthalmologist, otorhino, laryngologist, surgeon, neurolog, and therapy doctor. So I'm at the registration. I'm gonna register now. Done with the registration part a bit. Tomorrow I need to get some appointments. Yeah, and I'll keep you updated. I'll continue this video in some another video on like other days when I shoot it. So I'll keep you posted. Anyways, guys, for now I am just turning off. Gotta do some works in the university. So bye bye. I'll continue soon. Yeah. I'll buy my favorite yogurt. Wrapping up for the lunch. You can check out the perfection to which the rice is cooked, and sincere thanks to my mom for teaching me.
Он душит меня.
We have named her Maya. Maya, Ishona da Karmit. Now, after a nice heavy lunch, and also like full of love and Indian meal, I'm gonna, just go for an evening walk, collect some of my orders like whey protein, soy chunks, and other things because we've also got to load groceries, and it's very important when you're abroad that you have a source of protein with you. And yes, it was pretty good day, so let's go collect the order now. So it's a homeless stray cat that we saved, and actually I'm very happy, very lucky. You get a chance to earn some good karmas, I think. Meow. How beautiful this cat is. Blue eyes. Can't stay away. That's what pure love is. Yeah. Evening walks after studying. It's a pretty nice thing. Goes on. So it's like a pickup point here. Zdrastite. Soy chunks, like 5 packets of them. A very nice delivery. And now whey protein. Mango is very cheap now, 390 rupees. Rubles, I mean, kilogram. Peanuts and all. Cabbage is 24 rubles a kilogram. Nice one. Some water bottles to buy. And my favorite beverage. I'll buy like a couple of them. Yeah, so let's end the video over here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the journey, enjoyed the day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care, spread love and peace, equality and humanity. Love you guys. See you. Bye bye.